Beautiful. Hello everyone and welcome back to another train spotting video. Today we are back on the Blitzford Bridge, near Blitzford obviously, near Northampton, and we're gonna try and film some trains from over there. But yep, stay with me guys. Today is Saturday, the 6th of April 2024, and I'm supposed to be off, but as usually I'm working today as well. Obviously now I'm on a break. That's why I had to go today. I had to go to Stafford to meet a friend of mine, but I couldn't, so I'm sorry my friend. That was the reason I couldn't go. I couldn't came today to Stafford, but I promise I will meet you someday, like I don't know, next week probably. And yeah, instead I'm here. I had to film today something because obviously it's been like 2 or 3 days I didn't post nothing, so I had to come out and do some train spotting. But in the same time, here is so beautiful and quiet, and it's okay, it's beautiful, I like it. So yeah, waiting for the trains anyway. Mate, the view around here is beautiful. Mate, I love it. Check out those clouds, man, over there. But over here is okay. Look, well, nice one. This is a nice place to do train spotting because it's quiet. There's nobody around, so it's okay. It's just you. It's just you and the nature, innit? Nice. Okay, so we have our next one. Crew to London. Class 350. Nice. And then our West Coast that goes to Manchester Piccadilly. Nice one. Avanti West Coast that goes to Glasgow. Such a beautiful view, mate. Oh my days, look at that. Those hills and look at that canal over there. Boom. Look at the fields, bro. They're all yellow, isn't it? So beautiful. Then we have another Avanti West Coast that goes to Preston, and the other one comes now, goes to London. Beautiful view with 2 trains, nice one. There we are, Avanti West Coast, Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. Beautiful. And we have another Avanti West Coast and a deer. I'll show you something. But we have the fly. Mate, check this out. There's 2 deers over there. And you can see them, right? Nice one, bro. Check this out. They're over there watching me, literally. Nice. Our next train goes to Holyhead, Avanti West Coast. And he's on tilt. Beautiful. And the English countryside. Nice. Now we should have the 104 Avanti West Coast coming from Manchester to London, but it's not showing up, and I might have to check on the website to see what's what. 1 second, guys. Okay, we have the one from London to Manchester, but the other one I still have to check because the train was coming, so I have to stop checking. Yeah, let me have a look. Okay, so I checked, and he's expected to pass at 13 and 11, so he's like 6 minutes late. Yeah, that's alright. We're gonna have other trains before him, so yeah. And another one to West Coast going to Edinburgh this time. Like I said, we're gonna have other trains before that one comes. To be honest, it's like 1 and 9, so it's another 2 minutes. It's gonna be here. And like I said, the train from Manchester to London, 6 minutes late. It's now approaching. Right, the winds start kicking. Oh my god. Not good. London Euston to Birmingham New Street train, Avanti West Coast, class 390. Time is 13 and 15. 1 and 15. And the train is now on tilt. Nice one. Avanti West Coast from Preston to London, 10 minutes delayed, passing now. London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street, Avanti West Coast. Class 390. Well everyone, that's it for today from Blissford ground form. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I will see you in the next one with another train station on another place of England. Until next time, take care and bye bye.